are here. Hi. Sunod daw. Got some stuff. We're gonna be cooking. Mexican, so we got our beef. What's this? Whatever this is, and some other stuff as well. Yeah, just gonna go get this and bring it inside. Pwede ba kami pumasok? Parang ayaw mo kami pagbuksan eh.
Hindi ka nag-chat na on the way na para kayo?
L6B6. Jenson, bili ka sa Alpha Mart. Bye-bye. Ingat. There's Luis, Jenson's wife. And Mark's gonna pull the camera in. Mark's gonna pull my Legacy in so we can work on the headlights. I'm gonna try to restore these yellow headlights. So go. Nag-stall? We're gonna try and restore these headlights.
These lights.
It's kind of yellow, so we are done with the headlights, and by we I mean Jenson. So shout out to him. Thank you for polishing my headlights. It looks way better right now. Before it was super yellow. I hated seeing those headlights, especially with the white paint. You could really tell that it's yellow, but right now it looks really clean. There are still some scratches here and there, but I think those scratches are inside the headlight. I think they've been damaged from being under the sun. So, and also I guess from the HIDs. But it still looks better. I love it. This is a little unexpected. I didn't know we're gonna be eating Korean barbecue after eating that much earlier.
Rice.
But
Rice.
I'm not gonna say no to this. And just like that, we are done with the day.
Kawis na si Marky. Ay, pala baby boy.
Bye!
Hindi, meron na. Bayad na.
Ano? No, not you. Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye. Hoy.
Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!
Bye, Pat.
Bye-bye!
Bye, Jenson. Bye, Pat.
Bye, Luis's girlfriend. Bye. Jade. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye.